Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from TM Tuesday Morning, and these are the Spectrum Noir Coloriste Pencils, and they had collections 1 through 6, and I'm just going to show you these and then just do a quick coloring just to test it out. But the first set, they don't have a specific name, it's just a set number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would have if I put them in order. And so you can see these colors, so I'm showing them up close. And if you cut the light up for a minute, that light is nighttime and I'm filming this is kind of late. Well, not too late, it's like 10 o'clock. But anyway, this number for this one is 2020475. I actually got them over a week ago. This is part of the September one, but I got them in August. I was waiting to do this in the haul. I got them like 2 weeks ago, but I was waiting because I wanted to test them out and hadn't had a chance to test them out. So that's the first one. The second one is 202476, and you can see those colors there. And the third one is 2020477. So the only thing that changes, of course, is the last 2 digits. And I read the SKU because if you follow any Tuesday morning haul, you know that you can call the 1-800-901-0881 phone number, type in that SKU and your zip code, you can find out if it's in your area. And then for number 4 is 78. For number 5, it is 79. And then for number 6, it is 80. So I saw these in Tuesday morning, like I said, about 2 weeks ago, and I picked them up and I said, oh great, they're $1.99 each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $12. And you've got 6 times 8 is 48 pieces. So let's just kind of see. Let's look at them a little closer and just kind of see. I'm just kind of see if I think, how many times am I going to say the word see? I wanted to look at them. I'm not going to say the word again. Look closer. Now, I watched a couple reviews and they said the thing about these that they did like was that they sharpen very easily, and these are wax-based pencil. I don't like the fact that it doesn't have the name on them. They do have Spectrum Noir on it. They don't have a number or a name, so on each individual pencil. That part I don't like. I wish they did so you can remember, because if you're coloring and you get them out the wrong box or you forget which one you used, you know, sometimes it's hard to go back and remember, because sometimes pencils can, you know, colors can look very close to another color. So that's one thing I don't like, but I heard they do color very, very nicely. So just gonna, and I've got that other light on in just a second. Just want to see how they feel. And hey, I'm not a professional. And these are not watercolors. These are just colored pencils. But they're going smooth. I mean, it goes on fine. And like I said, these are an 8-pack. I was going to look at one color set, maybe to kind of color this lion. This is a Sampinda stamp. I'm just going to kind of see. I'm trying to put the light on. Like I said, it might be too bright. Oh. I don't know if these are going to be the right colors either. Let me just see. Cause this is kind of orange, so maybe. Well, I think I can kind of use it for the lion skin. Okay, I think we'll try these colors. They're more earthy. And I know I have, what do you call it? Pencil sharpener. I just had it before I decided to film. And of course, you know, you move everything. Because I was making some other videos. And I don't know where I put that thing. Alright, so anyway, let's just color. I'm going to tear this out and then I'm going to cut it back on. I don't know which way is easier for you guys. It still looks kind of dark. Sorry. I do apologize, but I'm just trying to check it out. But I do need some, I need some light for myself, so let me cut it back on. Alright, So I'm going to color it, then I cut it back on, and you can kind of see it before you. I'm just trying to see how it feels to go on an image. And like I said, I am not a professional colorist by any means, okay? And this is going to be a quick, crude coloring. I do like that they have a lot of vibrant different colors, it looks like. If you're trying to find some variation in some colors. One thing I did find out about when you're looking at color with pencils is you want to look at how centered is the color in the middle. Because the more centered it is, the easier it is to sharpen and the easier it is to flow. So that is one thing you're supposed to look for, is how is the color centered on in the middle or not. And you look at the ability of the wax. If it's wax or oil based, I think are the two types that you can have for the color piece. And I believe these are wax, which helps with the glide and sharpening. I'm just looking for how the color lays down right now. But I do like pencils that sharpen well, and I like pencils that the lead doesn't break a lot. I haven't tested it out. I'm just saying that's what I saw in some of the reviews. And I'm mad because now I don't see. I'm going to have to come back in a second and sharpen and go get another pencil sharpener because I know another one is that. But I don't know what I just did with the one I just had. Anyway, these colors don't necessarily go together, but I'm going to make it. It's going to have a two-tone looking face, okay? It's my lion, and I can make him look any kind of way I want. I'll look a little bizarre. Not bizarre, but bizarre. Okay? But I'm just really just playing around with the colors to see how they look and how they lay down. And so far, so fine. Went out the lines. Let's see. I'm going to color his body brown. He's going to be a Mitch lion, okay? So, you know, I would say for $2 a box. You have some advantage. You got some nice colors here. The disadvantage is that the color is not on each individual one. So, you would have to, and the sets are not labeled by colors, they're just labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So that you have to figure out, remember how to remember your colors, which one it belongs to or whatever like that. Other than that, that would be my biggest critique. But these are just regular coloring pencils. These are not watercolors. And actually they have quite a few other colorings out. The Marvy brand is out. A couple of pencil sets that are out. So if you're looking for any of those kind of things, Tuesday morning has a lot coming up. Oh, why did I not color the other leg? Might as well round him out. He's brown and all kinds of color. Mitch Lion. So these are the Spectrum Noir Coloriste pencils, and they also have the what do you call them? The markers, but these are just the coloring pencils. Alright, so I ain't doing anything professional with that color. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that they have a lot of coloring things out at Tuesday morning if you are looking for some. Yeah, I don't usually color this poorly. I'm just really just scribbling on, okay? But I just wanted to bring that to your attention that if you didn't know, they had those out, that they were out. And again, like I said, he is a Mitch Mac colored little lion. But I was just trying to see how the colors go, and they come out fine. So if you are looking for some, let me just cut out a couple other colors so you can kind of see from the pack. Nice orange, pink, gotta have me some red up in here. So that the color, that it lays down a nice color, I must say. They're pigmented nicely. So that part I really enjoy about when you color a pencil down. I've had some cheaper ones and you color it, you can't really see the color. So the colors look good, okay? I will pick it up in just a second. Let's try this blue. Yeah, nice. Let's try yellow because it's a light color. Okay, it looks like even in the dark. There's a lighter yellow. Yeah. Because you want your lighter colors to be able to still hold some pigment. Okay. So a couple more out of each one of these. Let's see. Sorry, I had to hit something on my computer. Nice color. So I will have to label these a number or something so I can remember which one I used, or a name or something. But just to show you a couple out of each one of the packs, this is the last pack. A lot of blues in this one. Which is nice to give you a lot, because you're thinking about the sky, the ocean, and colors like that. Yeah, so anyway, that's the colors. Let me hold that up closer so you can kind of see. I will show you in the light. That didn't help at all, did it? But I must say, the yellows came out really nice, which to me is important if you can have lighter colors and they still lay down some depth so you can see that. So, you know, it just depends on if you're looking for some markers, pencils or not. But they weren't there for $2 each, so I'm actually going to be gifting this to my daughter. I have colored pencils, but she is an interior designer. She does renderings and perspectives, and a lot of her stuff is on computer, but she also has sketchbooks where she designs things too as well. So I have a ton of colors, and I thought this would be actually a little set for her that she could use when she's in her sketchbook, just wanted to play around with some designs and swatching out some colors. And of course, I can use them too, but so thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And again, check out your Tuesday morning, see if they have those colors in your area. Like I said, they had different types of mediums, the pens, watercolors. They had watercolors as well by Marvy, watercolor pencils. Quite a few mediums this week. It's part of, I guess, the September sale that'll be out. But that will be the only thing, is that they don't label the colors. But other than that, they're fine. Take care. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And that dear you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.